Welcome to TechSpeed YouTube channel. In this video, I'll guide you how to create this thumbnail using your mobile. For that, you need install PIXELLAB app. Check the description for download link. Let me tell you few tips you need to know before editing a thumbnail. If you want to create a thumbnail without this way, you have to think of design first. Then think of a theme that suits your design. I'm using green one. Also, in addition to black and white, choose two other colors that match your theme. I use blue and orange colors that match my greeny theme. Alright, now let's go to the edit. First of all, you need to select your image size into YouTube thumbnail. Select it and press OK. OK, then select color option and choose the color that you like. As I said, I am using greeny theme, so I choose this greeny gradient color for my thumbnail edit. After selecting this plus sign, you can customize the way the gradient look should be changed. Also, you can select this color button option and add any color of your favor. OK, then select plus icon in top border and select from gallery. In here you can add all the images that you need for your edit. I'm downloaded all these PNG files from Google. You can also download them by entering the name of the PNG file in Google. However, you need those PNG files, you can download them from the link in the description. Then select this mobile frame PNG and reduce the size to fit the image. To reduce, do like this. To easily get this center of your image, select relative positions and do like this. Next, go back to the gallery and insert all the images you need for that edit at once like this. I'm downloaded this picture from Sage app and use the PixArt app to blur it like this. Then increase or decrease the blur of the image as your favor. And save to gallery like this. Then adjust it to fit the space in the mobile frame PNG. After that, select to back option. With that option, you can send this image to the back layer of the mobile frame. Then adjust the corners of this image and again select the relative positions to get this image to middle of this background. When you are edit only for one layer, keep other layers locked like this. Also, this will prevent the layers that are not used for the edit from moving around. Rearrange the picture in this way until the corners are invisible. Then lock this layer and unlock first layer. Then go to the stroke option. And enable it like this. And select the color that you want. Also increase stroke width like this. After doing that, go to the shadow option and enable it like before and select the shadow color that you need. I'm always choose green color because I'm going to design a kind of greeny thumbnail. And adjust blur radius to 50. Then go back to the gallery and select all essential PNG files that you need for your edit. Reduce the size of all previously imported PNG files in this way. Then select them and place them on the screen of the mobile like this. I crop this image because it has unwanted black corners. You can also customize this in your own way. After adjusting your icons, then select this layer and enable stroke option and select white color and select stroke width to 5. And apply those settings to other two icons. And go back to your gallery, select the PNG files that you need for your further editing. Also select all the layers that have been already edited and merge them into one layer. After that, lock this merge layer to stop moving around. Then reduce the size of all images and put them to the four corners of the background. After doing that, select shadow option and enable it and set blur radius to 16, set offset X to 3, offset Y to 1 and select shadow color to transparent black. And I want to add some 3D look to my images, so I select this 3D option and enable it. Then select depth to 1 and darken like this and adjust your settings as this. Okay, then make the same settings for all images the way I do this, and it will give you more professional look to your thumbnail. After finishing your edit, you can lock your new layers. Then go to the shapes and select circle and change the color to gradient green. And put it on the corner of the background and select stroke option and change stroke width to 4 and change stroke color to green. But in this case the stroke is not visible much as I want, so I have to change it again. So go back to the stroke option and change stroke width to 11 and change blur radius to 6 and then confirm. Then select to back option to send this layer to back of your image. After doing all of this, go to the layer option and select circle layer, your circle layer, and duplicate 3 circles for your other 3 PNG files. Then put all 3 circles to corners in your image. And as I said before, you can select to back option to send this layer to back. Alright, we have finished our editing with images. Now we have to do insert text. For that need your thumbnail. So go to the plus sign and select text option. After selecting text option, you can change your text as you want. I changed my text to top because I am going to write top voice recording apps. Before editing on text, you should lock all other layers to prevent moving on background. After doing that, I want to increase my text size, so I select size option and change the text size to 255. Also, you can change your font style in here. For that, you have to go font and you can choose any of these font style to your text. Okay, I like this Voyager font style, so I choose it and OK. Then adjust your text as you want. Next, I am going to change the color of my text. For that, you have to go here and select color option and enable it and select black color. After that, go to the stroke and enable it and select gradient and select this gradient color. Then change the stroke width to 30. Next, give some shadow look to your image. Go to the shadow option and enable it and change your shadow opacity to 63 and blur radius to 16 and enable outer glow. This will glow your text like this. Change blur radius to 13, offset X to 2 and offset Y to 1. After doing all of this, you have to duplicate your layer. For that, you have to go to layer option and select duplicate. When you are editing to one layer, as I said, lock the previous layer. Then change this text to voice recording apps. You can change it to any name that you want. Then change in the positions of your text and adjust your text size to match your background. I want to add more text to my image, so I select new text option. I'm changing this text to 3 because in this video I am reviewing top 3 voice recording apps. So I change this to 3 and I change the font style to Blogger Sans Bold and increase the size of text to 284. After that, enable this text background option and select the green color. Next, change the top padding to -52 and bottom padding to -52. Also change left padding to +35 and right padding to +35. After that, go to the color option and change the color to orange. Then go to the stroke and enable it and select stroke color as white. After that, increase your stroke width to 70. Then enable shadow option. It will replace the previous settings of yours, and change the opacity to 59 and blur radius to 15 and enable outer glow. Then select again this text and go to the line spacing tab and enable it and change your line spacing to 34. After doing that, lock the voice recording apps layer and unlock this layer. Then select this position option and change your positions of your text. Then lock that layer. Then go to this layer bar and duplicate this top layer and type 2021 June. To decrease size of your text, go to the size option and change your size to 52. Then select color and change the color to white and go to the stroke option, select black color and set stroke width to 30. Okay, next enable this inner shadow option and select orange color. Adjust blur radius to 7, offset X to 4. Also change the font style to Boston Traffic. Okay, now we have completely edited the thumbnail and you can see that it is beautifully arranged now. I think you may have edited this way too. Also with the save option above, you can save this as a project or as an image. Once you saved as a project, you can easily edit it again. If this video helped you, please hit subscribe button for support me. Also when saving as an image, you can change the format of the file if you want. Also you can change the quality of your image. I choose ultra quality. Okay, if you have any questions, please leave a comment in below and thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further updates. See you in next video. To change your